Hello students, are you someone who is planning to study abroad? Don't let interest rates surprise you. Here's how to make a smartest loan decision for your education. Interest rates can vary significantly across lenders, typically ranging from 9% to 14%. Even a small difference can add up to thousands over the long term. So compare rates carefully. Only borrow what you truly need. Remember, larger loan amount means more interest. At the same time, you should have all your expenses covered to study efficiently. So choose wisely. Repayment flexibility. Look for loans that offer flexible repayment options like extended repayment periods or deferred payments so you can focus on your career without immediate financial pressure. Don't leave your education financing to chance. Research, compare, and find the best loan options that support your dreams. Your future is in your hands. Make a wise financial choice and let your education take you places. Want to find out best education loan as per your profile? Connect with us. The details are given in the caption and the comment section.